This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Open the driver's door and pull the bonnet release handle. Lift the safety catch and open the bonnet. Pull up the cover at the left-hand side of the engine compartment. The air filter cover is secured by various torque screws around its circumference. Undo the screws and lift the cover. Remove the filter element. Remove any dirt and debris from the filter housing. Maneuver the new filter element into place with the rubber seal uppermost. Lower the cover and tighten the screws securely. Refit the cover. Firmly close the bonnet and check it's secure.